This is the Hood Mystikk, and you are now tapped into Mystikk Math. Good morning, Grand Rising. It is the Hood Mystikk. You're listening to the morning shift on CHUO 89.1 FM. This is your source for hip hop and R&B in the morning. Today is Wednesday, August 25th, 2021. That was Ree Louise with How I'm Feeling. Canada, how y'all feeling this beautiful rising? Now let's get to what we all came for. It is time for Mystikk Math. And for those who don't know, Mystikk Math is where we talk about the collective energy reading according to the phases of the moon. So let's tap in. We're coming off a powerful full moon which took place this weekend, and it is now waning into its disseminating moon phase. And disseminating in this context means that we will be stepping into our power. The disseminating moon will be transiting the sign of the two fishes, the last constellation, Pisces. The power you'll be stepping into is your willpower, which will ensure you a guaranteed victory in all you set out to accomplish this week. But since this is a waning moon, that means we are releasing so we can move past whatever negative energy or obstacles we would be faced with. We do this because we are focused on a solution. And when we focus intently on a solution, we are thus activating our willpower. We don't seek this mentally or by keeping busy with work. Pisces is a water sign. It's ruled by the moon. And in its basic sense, we accomplish the things that we actually want by honoring our emotions. This means that hanging out with your friends, signing up for that counseling session, getting the therapy that you need, meeting new people, working out, but you have to make a choice on something that will make you feel alive. And by doing these things, you will activate your personal willpower and thus guaranteeing you a victory in the fourth quarter. Another thing this week is not so much to fix others, especially if there are things that we're working on, but the other fish would encourage us to give. So I know that might seem oxymoronic, but we're not giving to help people. We're giving as it's a normal function of life, as opposed to giving things conditionally and expecting something in return. And then when we don't get what we want in return, we feel like we have lost something. So you can balance this out by giving what you feel comfortable to give to where you don't need it in return. And the second thing that you're doing is creating space in your personal life for new energy to enter your life for this next new moon phase that will take place 2 weeks from now. It is a very simple messaging this week. The moon in Pisces has two sides, a problem and a solution. My advice this morning is to acknowledge the problem, but also intently focus on the solution. My homegirl from my homeworld, Dinah Clark, will send us home this rising with a beautiful quote. And I quote, "Be loving and you will never want for love. Be humble and you will never want for guiding." End quote. Well, Dinah, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Up next, we have Iman Omari with Javante. This song is titled All For You. In Ottawa, I do it all for you, and I pray this transmission comes across clear, but if you need me, I'm here. Follow me on IG at The Hood Mystikk for persistent vibes. Also, give us a shout out on CHUO 89.1 FM on Instagram, or shoot us a text at 613-562-5967. Peace.